Hello class 701, I am Nick Teacher, and today is Friday, March 6th, 2020. Today we are going to be doing AHA Grammar, page 76. So, pause the video, open up your book to page 76, and we will begin. So if we look at page 76, it says look, match, and write. So the first one, we have a list of words with spaces and the picture to match it, okay? So one is already done for us. They are yellow lemons. Yellow lemons. So if we look at the first one, it is a blank clock. So which one is a clock? This one is a clock. So connect this dot to this dot, and let's look at the words here. Green, round, short, and yellow. Yellow is already here, so we can't use yellow. But if we look at the clock, it is a circle, and circles are round. So we are going to say it is a round clock. Okay? Let's go to the next one. It is a blank frog. Well, where is the frog? The frog is here. So connect this dot to this dot. And if we look at the words, well, the frog, what color is he? The frog is green. So it is a green frog. And the last one, they are blank pencils. Well, the pencils are here. So connect this dot to this dot. And what do they look like? This one is long, but this one is short. They are short pencils. Okay? So the answers, I will write them on the board. So, the first one is round. The next one is, well, yellow, but we didn't do that. My pen is drying, so I'll get a new one. The next one is frog, so we have green. And the last one is short. Okay, so those are your answers. Pause the video to make sure you have the right spelling and you got the right words, and then we'll move on. So pause. Okay. B says, look and write. Is she happy? Yes, she is. Okay? So, is it round? Is it round? Because it is a ball. Balls are round. So, is it round? Yes, it is. That's number 2. So number 2, we have, I will erase this. My eraser disappeared. There's my eraser. Right here. So, is it round? So number 2, we've got round. I picked the wrong marker. Is it round? And then we have, yes, it is. Okay? That's number 2. Let's look at number 3. Number 3, we have 2 boys. One is short, and what about him? He looks very tall. So, is he tall? Yes, he is. Okay? So that's number 3. Tall. Yes, he is. Okay? Pause the video to make sure you have the right answers, but we are going to move on. Let's go to number 4. Is it hot? Well, if we look, that looks like ice cubes. And ice cubes are not hot, they are cold. So for number 4, we're going to say, no, it isn't. It is cold. Okay? So number 4, we have no, it isn't. And then we have it is cold. Okay? It isn't. Now a little trick to remember isn't means is not. So what you do is you have I, S, N, and instead of the O, we have an apostrophe T. Okay? So is, and then that should be the O. Is not, isn't. Okay? Just to remember that. Let's move on to number 5. Is she full? Well, she is dreaming about food. And when you are full, you don't dream about food. So is she full? We can say, no, she isn't. She is hungry. Okay? So number 5, the answer is she isn't. And then it says she is hungry. Okay, if I do 6, oh yeah, we can see 6. Let's do number 6. Is he thin? Let's look. Does he look thin? This boy is not thin. Say, no, he isn't. He is thick. The opposite of thin is thick. So we're going to say, no, he isn't. He is thick. That's how you spell thick. 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 Okay? So pause the video to make sure you have all the right answers, and then we're going to move on to the next page. Okay? So, pause. Okay. So now, if we look, let's see, can I get it? Okay. Read and write. It is a square table. Right? It is a square table. The table is square. It is a hungry dog. So the dog is hungry. Okay? So number 2, let's just do this really quickly. 2, the dog is hungry. So, I think you guys can do this on your own. So pause the video, try to do it by yourself, and then come and check the answers and we'll do them together. So number 2, the dog is hungry. So, if you look at the next one, they are thirsty students. So we can say number 3, the students are thirsty. Okay? So, number 3, the students are thirsty. Okay? Pause the video to make sure you got the right spelling. And we'll move on. Number 4, she is a thin girl. So, the girl is thin. Okay? The girl is thin. All we are doing is we are rearranging the sentence, but it is the same sentence. She is a thin girl. We're talking about a girl who is thin. She is a thin girl, or the girl is thin. It is the same thing. The next one. He is a tall boy. The boy is tall. Okay? Number 5. The 6. They are round clocks. So we will say the clocks are round. Okay? Number 6. The clocks are round. Alright? So pause the video to make sure you have the right answers, and then we're going to move on to the last part. Okay? So pause. And let's move on. The last part, look and write. So we have a picture, and it says, get this marker here. That'll be easier. There are 11 candles. So you count the candles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 candles. How many umbrellas do we see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 umbrellas. So you guys can definitely do this on your own. So pause the video, and then we will correct together, okay? So we did number 2. Number 2 is 5. Okay? So pause the video and see if you can do the rest by yourself, and then we're going to correct. Okay? Go. There are blank balls. So let's count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. There are 13 balls. 13. That's how you spell 13. T-H-I-R-T-E-E-N. 13. Next, there are blank crayons.
Ooh, so let's count the crayons, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15,
16. 16 crayons. So 6, and then you add teen. S-I-X-T-E-E-N. Let's go to number 5. There are blank cups. How many cups? 1, 2, 3. There are blank cups. So there are 3 cups. Okay, let's pause the video to make sure you have the right answer. And that is our lesson for today. So if you guys have any questions, ask or email any of the teachers, call them, and they will help you. And that is our lesson for today, so I will see you guys on Monday. Have a good weekend, guys. Bye.